What's up everyone? Welcome to the latest Localization Basics, one of the final ones. In this one we're going to talk about what the fuck is MLV. And as a bonus question, I'm going to tell you what is SLV as well. In a previous episode I explained to you what is LSP, so MLV or SLV are two different, let's say, types of LSPs. MLV stands for multi-language vendor, so it means it's a vendor that provides localization or language services into multiple different languages. Okay, very simple. SLV, on the other hand, only focuses on one language, let's say Italian, and that's their primary focus, and that's what they want to be doing. Now, typically the MLVs tend to be larger, and they also need to have a bigger vendor management team and someone to take care of the quality for all the multiple different languages that they take care of, while the SLV only decided to focus on one language and be maybe the best for that language on the market for a particular niche or industry. So MLV versus SLV, simple as that. By